My name's Ryan Fisher from Follett & Co, and I'd like to welcome each and every single one of you to 63 South Road, right here in the heart of Brighton. It's been meticulously designed, perfectly executed, and ladies and gentlemen, if it's a family home to a very high standard that you're looking to secure, take one step inside and let me introduce you to this beautiful, beautiful residence. Downstairs you have your private master suite, fully attuned with showpiece master wardrobe and an ensuite bathroom. Down your proportioned hallway you will find a downstairs laundry, a double study and an informal lounge. At its end is a large open plan living and kitchen space, fully equipped with a butler's pantry that beams with natural light. With direct access to your outdoor area, coming from each side of the living aspect of the home, this is the perfect space to entertain, let the kids run free, or relax with a glass of red by the fire. Upstairs you have a further 3 large bedrooms, ensuite robes, a second central laundry and a further sense of the quality of build and design within this home. And a welcome addition is a large cinema room, perfect as a Saturday night retreat, additional bedroom or kids space. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a perfectly executed family residence right here in Brighton. As this property is going to sell by private negotiation, please give myself or Justin Follett a call to arrange a time to get through privately. My name's Ryan Fisher from Follett & Co, and we'll see you soon.